Practice 10. Cultural diffusion. Today, I want to explain cultural diffusion, which is a spread of cultural traits from one society to another. This process can involve food, language, technology, or traditions. Cultural diffusion happens through trade, migration, or communication, and it shapes the diversity of human cultures. Let me provide two examples. The first example is the spread of the tomato to Europe. Tomatoes originated in the Americas and were unknown in Europe until Spanish explorers brought them back in the 16th century. At first, Europeans were hesitant to eat them, but eventually tomatoes became central to Italian and Mediterranean cuisine, leading to dishes like pasta with tomato sauce and pizza. Are you getting hungry? The second example is the adoption of Buddhism in China. Buddhism began in India but spread to China through trade routes such as the Silk Road. Chinese monks translated Indian texts and adapted the religion to Chinese traditions. As a result, Buddhism became one of the most influential belief systems in East Asia. These cases show that cultural diffusion is a powerful force that shapes societies by mixing ideas and practices across regions. The professor explains cultural diffusion. Using the examples from the lecture, explain the concept and how the professor illustrates it.